Lower esophageal sphincter.
Lower esophageal sphincter. Very nice.
Stomach.
Okay. Got the, yes.
Fundus.
Fundus. Body. Pyloric.
Rugae.
Pyloric sphincter.
Pyloric sphincter.
And duodenum is right there.
Duodenum.
And then where's your pancreas?
Wait, we're missing a lot more. We're missing another sphincter, colon, and jejunum.
Jejunum is the top.
Oh, jejunum. What's this one? Oh, ileum. It's just the ileum.
Wait, what is it? What is it? How do you say it?
Ileum.
Ilium?
Ileum.
Ilium. Alright. Ileocecal sphincter.
Right there.
Okay, and then where's your cecum?
Right here.
Where's your ascending colon?
Right here.
Then you have your transverse colon. We're gonna have this issue again. Transverse colon.
Transverse.
And then descending, and then sigmoid. And tinea coli. Where's the tinea coli?
Is the which one is the pod? Hostra? The hostra right here.
There's tinea coli. Where's the tinea coli, guys?
It's probably this part, like the outer.
Yeah. No, that's the pod. The line right here.
Oh, the
Oh,
line.
that's the line. Okay, there we go.
Are you
Okay.
getting it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's recording.
Okay, so where's the where's the anus?
Right here.
Alright, where's the hepatic ducts? Left and right hepatic.
Wait, you
Okay.
forgot the anal sphincter.
Oh yeah, anal sphincter.
My favorite part.
The sphincter.
Alright, favorite part. We didn't forget anything. Where's the rugae again? Those things. Alright. Where's the okay, so gallbladder now, right? So gallbladder. You have cystic duct. That's the first one. And then you have your common bile duct.
You can't even see on your phone.
Oh,
Those
you
two
can,
pencils
can.
point at
No,
two
it's not.
different things.
And then you have what?
Your liver.
Liver. Yeah, true. You like that one. And then you have your
Left and right.
left and right hepatic.
Then common hepatic.
Common hepatic. And then what else?
And that's it.
Another picture right here. This is
Your
better.
spleen.
Bam.
We're putting these on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, spleen.
Spleen? My name.
You're not really putting this on the YouTube.
Yeah,
We are. We are.
Yeah.
We've done everything. We put up everything.
Yes, you do.
For real.
That's why.